Hey Kham fam, welcome back to Keeping Up with Kham. So today we have our toddler boy hairstyle video number 35. My goodness, we're so close to 40. So we will be doing our braided toddler boy style today, but we're also doing a product review on a new brush and a new hair item. So we have this brush, I don't know like the legit brand name, but this is the Evolve one. I got it from my beauty supply store. I was expecting these to be a little bit harder, but it's that brush that, you know, pieces move around. it's great. Okay, so we have our Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk with fig extract and baobab oil. Okay. So it's a hydrated style, dry, damaged hair. Alright, so it deeply moisturizes your hair, effortlessly detangles, and improves manageability for easy natural styling. Great. I wonder if you guys can tell how happy I am with this product. Okay, so I put this in his hair the night before because I wanted to actually have used it before I talked to you guys about it on the video, so it wouldn't have made sense to braid it with his hair today. As you can see, his hair is dry. Okay, not only is it dry, it has this tacky, sticky residue feeling to it. Like, it's so gross. And then look at all this like lint and dirt that it accumulated. I just washed his hair the day before, and the night before I put this product in, I did it as the LCO method. Look at all that. Ugh, so gross. I did the LCO method like I usually do, and this never happens. Look how just like dry and just lifeless his hair is. I'm so thoroughly disappointed with this product. So I have to use a ridiculous amount of water to just even like make his hair manageable to do this style, and I don't like braiding on wet hair, but I have negative choice with this product in his hair. So I'm using the brush. I actually really love this brush, and I also have used it on myself as well, and it works for us too. So it's super, how do I explain it? It just really moves through the hair like it's nothing. It doesn't knot, it doesn't tangle, it doesn't catch a nick on the hair. The fact that the pieces move individually is great because you get a lot more ability to detangle without it, you know, causing an issue. I really do love this. I don't know if this is like the legit one. I doubt it is, but I paid $5.99 Canadian, and it's worth every penny. Promise you. Again, back to my dissatisfaction. Look at the dirt buildup in this brush. Just from one section, or maybe two sections, I can't see here, but from his hair. This is ridiculous. I literally just washed his hair 2 days before. There's no reason why his hair should be looking like this. This is all from that product. Now, I will say everybody's hair is different, so don't come at me and be like, oh, maybe it'll work for me. It may work for you, but I'm just letting you guys know, for us, this was a no. Oh my gosh. Alright, so as you can see here, we have separated the hair down the middle, and then we are going to separate it along the sides. We're not doing it like we typically do, like a straight back braid. You can see that we're kind of going in, describe things so weird, kind of like a tombstone design. Like, I'm not doing it straight. I want those ones from the front to braid back, but I don't want it to be fully a straight back style. So I had to use this dry shampoo that I thankfully had in the house. And you guys know me. You guys know I do not like to put anything in Kham's hair if I don't have to, especially not adult products. But I had no choice. The residue that was on my hands from this, ridiculous. I couldn't, like, it just felt so disgusting in my hands doing his hair. I did put water on it just in case, kind of like to wash it out. Okay, so my favorite Shine and Jam conditioning gel. Y'all, do you see that it says 8 ounces? Yeah, I got the big boy, okay? That was, I believe, $7.99. The regular size one is $4.99, and I was like, why not? This is the bigger one. It's going to last me longer because realistically, not only do I use it for Kham, but I use it for me too. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm like, why not just go with the bigger one? And it saves me a trip going back to beauty supply. So here I am parting the back of his hair. I'm parting it in a zigzag. You can do like a round one if you want, but I just preferred the zigzag. I wanted to spice it up. So this is what it looks like. I'm sectioning it off. I'm just braiding this up a little bit so it can like kind of stay out of the way, and then I'm going to get into the braids. Now this, again, not many braids. I like to kind of keep it bigger because it doesn't last as long as we would like it to, right guys? So there's no point in doing all these like little braids if I'm just going to be taking it out in a week anyways. So we have 4 braids in the back. We're going to split the two sections into 2, so that makes 4. Now I'm adding my Shine and Jam as per usual. Please make sure guys that when you apply your Shine and Jam, you are going back with the comb and you are fixing up our parts. I mean, unless you guys got A++ parts, then girl, go ahead. But I always go back just to make sure that the parts are straight as straight can be. I'm honestly shocked that the braids came out as decent as they did. I was so tempted to just scrap this hairstyle and go wash his hair again, but it's like I really don't want to be washing his hair so often, and I wouldn't have had another opportunity to get this video done for you guys. So I was just like, I gotta push through. I just used a lot of water to try and get the product out. And that's the next thing. You guys can see the amount of water that I used during this video, and there was a lot more that you guys aren't seeing on camera, and I could still smell the product in his hair. Like literally I can still smell it in his hair now, and you can see the amount of water that I use. So if you don't like a product that leaves a scent or is very, perfumey, this isn't for you. It's not like if he stands there you can just smell this and you're like, well, what is that? But when he, lays on me or sits beside me or I'm carrying him, I can smell it, and it's just this, it's not an unpleasant smell, but I'm not really a person who enjoys smells, so it's just kind of irritating my nose when I keep smelling his head like that. But yeah, this product was an overall disappointment for me, and I'm really upset about it. I really just wanted a nice hair milk and a leave-in conditioner. So I'm like, well, this is perfect. It's a leave-in milk. But it was definitely not what I was expecting. If this is milk, yo, it's sour milk, because this thing was thicker than a Snicker, okay? Like, it's thick. It's really thick. And if it wasn't so smelly and just gross, I would have shown you guys on camera what it looks like, but I just wanted nothing to do with this anymore. It wasn't a liquidy substance as I was expecting it to be, and as a leave-in, I just find that it's a buildup of a product, and that kind of defeats the purpose of putting something in their hair to increase longevity of a style, because you just want to wash this out and it's drying. I don't know if there's coconut oil in this. Okay, let me see. Water, cocoa snuff, coconut oil. Yeah, the second ingredient is coconut oil. Okay, that may explain a lot. Coconut oil does not bode well in Kamari's hair. I don't know if it's because of his hair type, or he's 3C or whatever his curl pattern is or whatever. I don't know if that's the reason or if it's like a genetic thing, because coconut oil does not work in my hair either. It is so drying. It's like the worst thing you could put in my hair. Like, I might as well just leave my hair dry and basting in the sun. instead of putting coconut oil in. So I don't know if he gets that from me, but coconut oil is not, no. So this may be why this didn't work for us. If you guys have hair that is kind of adverse or has an adverse reaction when it comes to coconut oil, this may not be for you either. If your hair flourishes with coconut oil, this may actually work for you. But the fact that this is defying gravity, like I shake it upside down, I put it upside down, and it don't move. My hair, it don't move. Yeah, this is the Gorilla Glue version. Like, it really doesn't move, and I don't like that. So this was definitely a waste of my money. I won't be using it again, not on myself, not on anybody else. If the Goodwill takes hair products, they can have it. Or if there is a subby out here who has used this before and it's worked, or you guys want to try it out, feel free to contact me. I'll send this to you guys because I want nothing to do with it. I'm just really disappointed because I love Shea Moisture, and the Shea Moisture products that we use, I've never had an issue. But again, this is not from the Shea Moisture Kids line, so that may be the reason why. But being in Canada, we are very, very limited when it comes to our Shea Moisture products, and the Kids line is bare bones. Like, it's the bare minimum of what we have, and I don't even think they have a leave-in or a milk. So I was just like, okay, well, it's Shea Moisture, so you know, the same family. No, that was not a good idea. So my overall take on this, I would say no. I would steer clear. If you're looking for a leave-in, if you're looking for a milk, that is not your go-to. We are a hard no, a hard pass, and a hard never ever. Don't even want it for free. Not gonna look at it ever again with this in our family. So I hope you guys have had better luck with this. Let me know if you guys have actually used this, if you've had the same issues, if you know anybody who's had these issues, or if you've had like really good like success stories with this. Let me know if this worked for you, because I want to know if it's just us. I don't know. Again, don't forget to go back and fix up our parts. Once we put the Shine and Jam on it, it just makes it look so much neater. I don't think I covered the brush too much, but that brush was a definite great buy on my end. It is very light. It's the plastic is hard. It's not very bendable or anything like that, but like I said, it doesn't nick, it doesn't pull on the hair. I used it on Kham's hair wet. I believe I used it on my hair wet and dry, and it worked perfectly. I was most happy with the fact that I actually used this comb to straighten my hair, and when I do my hair, I usually have the straightening iron and my comb, and I use like the chase method. So I put the comb and the straightener together, and I pulled it down the section, and it helps straighten the hair even better. Ooh, let me tell you, I used this comb and I will never go back to my regular, I use this brush and I'll never go back to my regular comb. Like, it does such an amazing job. It gets the hair straight. It's like, it's perfect. Best buy. Like I said, it's the best purchase I've made in a long time, especially how horribly disappointed I am with that leave-in milk. That brush definitely made up for it. Okay guys, so I want to do a video on porosity. I think I mentioned it in the last video. After we did the live, it was actually a really interesting topic to me. So I want you guys to let me know down in the comments what type of video you'd be looking for. Do you want it to be kind of like a wash day? What would I use? What have I changed? And what kind of techniques am I doing to make sure that I'm aiding in his hair growth and hair maintenance? Or do you just want to have a talk on what products we can or cannot use? I also want to do a clarifying shampoo I want to kind of see if I can strip away as much product buildup that I can without damaging his hair, because that is uber important. And I'll probably do that with a deep condition. So I don't know if you guys want to see that, or if you guys just want me to talk about it in the next video after I've already done it at home. Let me know in the comments, guys, and I will do that for you. Alright guys, so this is what half of his hair looks like finished. Ooh, looks so good, so crispy. Make sure you guys hit us up on our Instagram. Do not forget that at keepingupwithkham. Follow us, share us, like us. More behind the scenes. Alright, so this is what his hair looked like finished. I want you to keep in mind, this is after sleeping on it for one night. Literally, this is the next morning. This is what it looks like. It's crazy. So I'm going to show you guys a clip here, actually. This on the left is what his hair looked like after I braided it. It curled up so bad. So I redid the ends overhand instead of underhand, and that's what it looks like on the right. Yeah, insane. So again, this is our final product. It is a super cute hairstyle. It's not that many braids, so it does work up rather quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions or concerns. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And don't forget to tune into our next video. See you then. Bye.